Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, BS Nursing Salt paper that was conducted in 2022. I am going to share English MCQs with correct options. Question number 1. Choose the word most similar in meaning to the capitalized ones. Number 1. Synonym for the word veil, and the correct option is A. Conceal. Question number 2. Synonym for the word recreation, and the correct option is hobby, D. Question number 4 lettered pairs A to D follows a related pair of words given in capitals. Select the lettered pairs that best expresses a relationship similar to that expressed in the original pair in capitals. Question number 3. A curator, ARTA, and the correct option is archivist, document. Question number 4. Stray, group, and the correct option is D. Digress, subject. Question number 5. Frim, ironclad, and the correct option is brushed, broken. Complete the sentence by choosing the most appropriate word from the given lettered choices A to D below each. Question number 6. The director of purchasing can negotiate the best price. Question number 7. Your speech was not relevant to the topic. Question number 8. It is dash. It is a galloping inflation rate rather than moderate inflation that distorts prices and sends economies trembling. Question number 9. The world is facing a serious energy problem. Question number 10. The director of human resources is interviewing applicants. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel.